Welcome to the ultimate guide to Kraken, one of the most trusted platforms for cryptocurrency trading and staking. Kraken offers a secure and user-friendly interface for buying, selling, and staking a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular altcoins. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader, Kraken provides the tools you need to navigate the crypto market effectively. Once you log into the Kraken platform, you'll find an intuitive dashboard with clear navigation to all its features. Start by funding your account through various deposit options, including bank transfers, crypto transfers, and more. After funding your account, head to the trade section to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at market rates or set your own with limit orders. Kraken's powerful trading engine ensures your transactions are executed quickly and reliably. For those interested in earning passive income, Kraken's staking feature is a standout. Simply navigate to the Staking tab, select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake, and start earning rewards instantly. Kraken supports staking for several popular cryptocurrencies, providing competitive reward rates and transparent accrual processes. Your earnings are credited directly to your account, making it an effortless way to grow your crypto holdings. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Kraken also provides advanced tools for experienced traders, including futures trading, margin trading, and customizable charting options. Additionally, the platform is known for its high level of security, employing advanced encryption and regular audits to keep your funds and data safe. Don't forget to explore Kraken's mobile app for trading on the go, and take advantage of their learning resources, which include guides, videos, and 24/7 customer support to help you at every step. Sign up now using the link in the description to claim your bonus and start your crypto journey today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto insights and tutorials.